In today's video, we will be covering the materials we need to start with acrylic painting. So let's get started. First up, we have the acrylic paints. These come in a variety of colors and can be purchased in tubes or jars. Make sure to select a good brand that is suitable for your budget. We also have a box of acrylic paints. It's perfect for beginners and not so costly. These bottles have thin layer of paints. A pack of acrylic paint can be a good option with limited colors, which has thick layer of paint. You can choose to buy individual colors or a set. Next, we have the palette. This is where you will mix your colors and create your artwork. You can use a plastic or a glass palette. It's important to use a palette that's easy to clean and doesn't absorb the paint. Third, we have paint brushes. These come in different shapes, size. You will need a variety of brushes including flat, round and angled ones. Choose brushes that are of good quality and durable. Fourth, we have the canvas. This is what you will be painting on. You can choose from a variety of sizes, surfaces such as stretched canvas, canvas board or canvas paper. You can make sure to select an appropriate size and surface for your painting. Either you can go simply with a sketchbook artist pad. Finally, we have a water and a rag. You will need water to clean your brushes and a rag to wipe them dry. And that's it. These are the basic materials you will need to get started with acrylic painting. In the next video, we will create your artwork. Thanks for watching.